Okay, so even with these in-depth substitution ones, as long as they're definite integral, you can do them on your calculator. Now, honestly, I find it easier just to do it by hand. And as it said, the indefinite integrals you can't do on your calculator. Now, there are specialized, if you look on the internet, there's specialized programs you can download, blah, blah, blah. Honestly, that would take you longer than just figuring out how to do it, and you should know how to do it anyways. So I'm not even going into that. But with the definite integrals, so I'm going to go here to Math, and I'm going to go down to my integral button. So FN integral. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in this integral, and I use lots of parentheses. So I'm going to do parentheses x, and I'm going to use x instead of t, to the 7th, parentheses. So that way that's all in parentheses. And I'm going to do parentheses, parentheses, okay, because I want to be able to do the outside too. So then I'm going to do 1 plus parentheses x to the 8th, parentheses, parentheses, to the 7th, parentheses, okay? Then comma, the variable x, comma, remember the bottom one goes first, so 0, 2, 1, and then enter. And it's going to take a little bit here. It's going to have to think about it. But the parentheses to me are a must, or you can think. Now, this isn't the answer they want. I need to go here to Math, change it back to a fraction, and there I've got my answer, 255 over 64. And you can see I got the right answer. Now, the second one, you'll notice it's the exact same thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do second, enter, and this get not that. Second, enter. This gives me back exactly what I put in. That's my last entry. And so then I'm going to do -1, comma 1. And so it was giving me that one. I had to go back 2 is what was really happening there. But this is the way to not have to retype it and then have it do this one, and this one is 0, which makes sense when we look at the limits. But so you can do these as long as they're definite on the calculator. It's just that to me, I'd rather do them by hand. I think they're faster. But it's a good way to check. It's a good way to get used to using your calculator as well.